Racing just is started. We have Bonjour first to show quickness at the start, blowing hot in the middle. Sophia's Furies down on the inside, then followed by Dagat and Kid, while Interceptor is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Blowing Hot. Moving up now on the outside is Bonjour. Racing into the Sophia's Fury. Then followed over by Dagatan Kid, while Interceptor is still racing in fifth. And as they swing down the back, Blowing Hot, Bonjour. And now fighting it out for the lead. 3 lengths further back in third comes Sophia's Fury. Down on the inside is Dagatan Kid. Interceptor comes next. Inside the 3 octavo, we are Blowing Hot by out ahead. Bonjour is on the outside. Sophia's Fury now coming closer in third. Dagatan Kid and Interceptor. And they are now entering the home stretch. Bonjour now takes command. Blowing Hot. Then here comes Sophia's Fury. Down on the inside, finds some opening is Dagatan Kid. Last 150 meters more to run. We have Bonjour followed by Blowing Hot. Sophia's Fury is on the outside. Bonjour, Sophia's Fury is on the outside. And finally, it's Bonjour, Sophia's Fury. Then comes Blowing Hot, Dagatan Kid and Interceptor.
4-2. 19, yung ating forecast na 4-2. It was Bonjour.